Hi everybody, we are the Bellavotti Brothers and we are here at SeaWorld. Come with us, we're gonna have a great time. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Today, we're here at SeaWorld theme park at Orlando, and we're just gonna have a heck of a time going on all the rides. Nan, what are you most excited for?
I went here when I was like in 2nd grade. I was actually like tall enough to like ride everything. So like, yeah.
Both of us have actually been here before when we were a lot younger and a lot shorter.
I'm the only one that hasn't been here before, so this is my first time.
It's gonna be Neo's first time. It's been a while, so there's a bunch of new rides that we're gonna be riding. And well, Nan's gonna be our navigator. He'll tell you what ride we're going on first.
Pipeline, at least I think that's what it's called.
Pipeline. Yeah.
Pipeline is actually a new ride that we haven't rode before. Where
Stand up when you ride it, it's really cool.
Yeah.
And jump off.
So we'll just be walking around, we'll be vlogging whatever we can, and we'll just bring you guys along the ride with us. All right, so we just got off the ride of Pipeline. It was honestly crazy. You're standing up basically the entire time. You're able to move up and down. It's crazy.
Well, it was really fun. Obviously, you stood up, which I've never rode on a roller coaster that allows you to do that. I think it's probably one of my favorite rides here, honestly.
I feel sick. I'm just like, if you aren't great with any motion sickness at all, you don't scream, you're gonna feel nauseous, which I did.
Well, honestly, great ride all around, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
9 out of 10.
So far, I absolutely loved it. You go back and forth, and then you get launched into a freaking mayhem. You're gonna see it on the GoPro right now. We got the GoPro footage and everything, and it almost fell off. That's how insane it is.
We had to hold my head so this thing wouldn't fall off. That's because, well, I'd say the beginning, going back and forth, that was just to get the speed up. That was light work, but like, once you get to that, you just drop, bro. It goes crazy after that.
It seems so fast that it ends up being short because of how ridiculously crazy it is. You guys are gonna enjoy this ride.
So guys, this is the end of the video. We're the Bellavotti Brothers and we spent the day at SeaWorld. These are like some of the kind of experiences you can have by living near Disney.
If you want to live near Disney like us and experience so much more stuff like this, then make sure to contact the fairy godmother of real estate, Kim Hawk.
We're the Bellavotti Brothers. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.
Make sure that you subscribe and like so that we can continue to give you up-to-date information on all things that are going around the 25-mile radius of Cinderella's castle, because this is truly a magical place to live.